Hi, I'm Shrinjita Hall. You see, for me, it's about more than just building technology. It's about making sure every feature bridges that gap and drives real, strategic business outcomes. I know you're looking for a full-stack intern with a background in React, Python, and Gen AI. Well, my passion is a perfect match. I love translating complex data into actionable insights using modern web tech. My expertise starts right at the front end, where I use React.js to develop responsive and scalable components. That then connects to the back end, where I build robust APIs and services using Python. And I manage the data layer with NoSQL databases like MongoDB for really effective modeling and quick retrieval. But here's what really excites me. I'm so eager to integrate cutting-edge Gen AI models right into your applications. So what this means is I can jump in and contribute across the whole stack, from the front-end apps to the back-end APIs, and especially in applying Gen AI, all within an agile framework. And when you put all of that together, it leads to one really important question. I'm ready to contribute value from day one while learning from the best in the field. I'd love to connect and discuss how we can make that happen.